If it fucking comes after me, I'm gonna scream like shit. Okay, see this door? Hi guys, and thanks for watching Exploring with Rachel. Today we're going to be going inside of an abandoned house, but there's something unique about this house. It was owned by a rental property guy, and he had several missing people disappear out of the house over the course of the year. I guess like tenants that he would have, and they would just randomly go missing. So we're gonna go inside and we're gonna try and like find some clues or just look around, see what we can find. Are you ready? Let's go. Oh my God, look at that doorway. Where do you think it leads to? I'm guessing this is the kitchen where you would walk in and park your car. It's all overgrown, but this is your kitchen and his cookbook he would use. Look, they were cooking bear. Oh no. And then I'm kind of like a real estate agent. I show you all around, but half bath. You want to walk in. Oh my God, look, see, they might have even been teaching the children that were there just not to be afraid of the monster who kidnapped their parents. Maybe it belonged to little Timmy. I don't know. Weird. So now that we came from the kitchen area, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go to the living room, dining room area. And I swear to God, I feel like I keep hearing footsteps in here. Check out that fireplace. Oh man. Look at these red cabinets. Peekaboo, motherfucker. It looks like maybe someone had to force their entry. Get out. All right, let's keep moving. Oh yeah, so this would be the dining room area. Dining room area. That'd be actually pretty. Oh, when we first explored this house, it was pretty cool because, woo, Josh, we keep walking. When we first explored this house, it was pretty cool because we noticed that the structural integrity of the house is pretty like legit. Like it's really well built. No skeletons in the closet here. We came in the side entrance, but this is the front entrance. Has a few locks. Oh, it doesn't lock. I don't want to try and make a bunch of noise. And then this, I mean, anyone's guess could be the office or, you know, or just a den or whatever, because it overlooks the balcony that we were at. So what I heard was they vacated the property, and I guess, you know, after a while that's what they had to do because so many people were literally going missing from here. It's fucking insane. Wait, let's go upstairs. I swear to fucking God, go up there. I'll take the camera and go up there.
A big bird?
Or a rabid raccoon.
Oh my God. It's one of those fucking Motherfucker. Oh, he's pissed.
Get out of here! He's just a baby bird.
One of those shithogs.
We're just gonna do your thing. Here, close that door. Back up. Okay. Where does it lead on the other side? Hurry up. Is there no other side to it? Is it locked in? Oh, we'll let him out that way. Let's go let him out. Okay, see this door? Okay, I won't scream. I won't scream. I won't scream. I'm really sorry. We're gonna move this. Okay. Fuck you. Okay, now we're gonna get this door open so you can get out. Yeah, you can get out. Look, nature. Nature. Aww. I always do this to my poor cameraman because I'm a blonde like by heart and I always rip it off. So any suggestions would be appreciated. This, I think, would be, I thought it was that bird. This would be one of the bedrooms. Look at that bed. Look at that bed, how it's made out of like horsehair. Look at that view of the road. So, bedroom, little one. I guess maybe you could have been having a nurse at me. Whoa, look at that closet. Purple fucking closet. All right, so Mr. Birdie is enjoying himself and now we can come back up and enjoy it. I guess the rooms were small because they had different tenants in and out. So, you know, they provide them with a small room, kitchen would be provided, and then part of it, I guess. I don't know. Kind of weird. But what's really weird is the upside down room. Rumor has it that the guy wanted to show how crazy he was by making a room and showing about how upside down his world went, about how much he lost, everything. I didn't want to tell you, but this beautiful pink room just needs a beautiful girl. But thanks for watching. Hope you love it. Be safe exploring. Peace.